Good day everyone, Coach Topper here from the Brain Coach Hub. Today I'm going to be teaching you some of the basic useful techniques that you can use to improve your design in video making. With the technique that I'm going to be teaching today, are you asking this question? How can I remove the background of the picture I recently downloaded? To answer this, let's go to the tricks for removing picture background using www.removebg. Your picture will be from this picture going to this picture. Let's get started. Okay, probably the fastest ways of removing the background of your picture aside from using the MS PowerPoint is by going to the website www.remove.bg, because in that site all you have to do is to upload the image and in just few seconds the background will disappear. So right now I'm going to go to that website to show you and demonstrate how are we going to remove the background so fast and so easy. Let's go to the site. Just type www.remove.bg and then click enter. And as you can see on the page, it says here remove image background, and you go to upload image button. You click the upload image button and wait for a few seconds, and then you click the picture that you desire to remove the background. You open it, and in just few seconds the background of this picture, okay, disappear. And all you have to do is to download, and right away that image will go to the download portion of your computer. You have to click the save, okay, and then you go to your PowerPoint, and all you have to do is to insert, then picture, click the device, you go to the download, okay, click the uploaded or the downloaded picture without background, and then you insert, and right away you now have the image that you desire. Right now, this is another technique that you came to know. Aside from using the MS PowerPoint, you can now remove the background by just going to www.remove.bg. More videos and updates, please click the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell. Thank you.